Breaking news in obesity medicine: GLP-1 medications work differently in women than men, and the difference is significant. I'm Dr. Gordon, board certified in obesity medicine. A new systematic review and meta-analysis was just published in JAMA Internal Medicine. Researchers at Johns Hopkins analyzed 64 randomized clinical trials of GLP-1 medications. They looked at whether the drugs work differently depending on age, sex, race, ethnicity, baseline BMI, and baseline A1C. Here's what they found. Across 6 trials and nearly 20,000 patients, women lost 10.9% of their body weight on GLP-1 medications. Men lost 6.8%. That's not a small difference. Women lost 60% more weight than men on the same class of medication. 4 of the 6 trials found the difference was statistically significant. The researchers think GLP-1 medications may work alongside estrogen. Women tend to weigh less, which may change how the drug works in your body. Biology may simply favor women. Now, here's what stayed the same. The medications worked consistently across age groups, across racial and ethnic groups, across different starting BMIs, across different A1C levels. No significant differences in any of those categories. The only variable that changed outcomes was sex, and it favored women. For decades, the obesity research that shaped your treatment was built on male physiology, male metabolism, male hormones, male energy balance. The dosing guidelines, the clinical trials, the calorie model, all of it designed around men, and then applied to women as if your biology is the same, and it never was. And when the results were averaged, women's outcomes got buried inside the mean. The average weight loss reported in GLP-1 trials includes men who lost less and women who lost more, but nobody separated that out until now. This study does. And when you look at women specifically, the medication is more effective than the headline numbers suggest. This is what happens when you stop treating female physiology as a footnote. The researchers at Johns Hopkins said we need to stop relying on averages and start looking at how medications work in specific groups. I'd go further. It's overdue. I've been saying this all along. Women are not small men, and these data prove it. A chronic disease is a condition that requires ongoing management. Obesity fits that definition. So does hypertension, so does diabetes, so does thyroid disease. And your treatment should be based on data that reflects your biology, not averaged with people who don't share it. Follow me for obesity medicine grounded in physiology, not blame.